Salutations! So to start off, we have hard-boiled eggs. Get yourself some quality chicken eggs and boil a hot pot of water. Identify the bottom of the egg and make a small hole in the center. This does a few things for us. For one, it ensures that the yolk stays center mass of the egg. Secondly, it makes the peeling process much easier. I boiled these eggs for a little under 10 minutes. Next up, remove the eggs from the boil at your desired cooking time and shock them in an ice bath right away. This stops carryover cooking and makes the peeling process easier. These eggs were cooked a little bit longer than I would like. These eggs were cooked for around 10 minutes. My personal preference is to have them cooked for around 8. This ensures that the yolk inside is still a little bit gummy. Alrighty, rye flour. Not really realistic to make flour at home, but still doable, of course. What you want to do is get some rye berries. I got mine off of Amazon. From there, you could either use a ton of muscle work grinding it in a pestle, or simply use a food processor or blender. Blend it till it becomes a fine powder, and then sift it. And you have rye flour, usable for whatever you would like to use rye flour for. Next is honey. You know where honey comes from, and I hope you're not surprised that I didn't film gathering it. But what I do have here is a great local honey with the honeycombs in the jar. Honey is super useful, super healthy, and super diverse in flavor depending on where you get it from. I'm just squeezing some out of the honeycomb here, but I'd recommend you let it drip out instead, if you can wait. Frumenty. This was my first time having this, and also my first time having goat milk. I had a hard time finding goat milk, so I had to settle for buying a powder mix. It tastes okay, but I wouldn't know what the real stuff tastes like. Frumenty is very similar to an oatmeal or a porridge. I would totally consider it for breakfast sometime, though I might swap out the goat milk for something a little tastier, such as almond milk. At this point, we're just really making sure that the wheat berries get properly tenderized, and then we're going to soak them in some water and make sure that they get nice and plump. The longer you can leave that to go, the better, really. 24 hours is great. These were only done for like an hour. Hey, I had a little bit of dead sounds to work with in the footage here, so I just wanted to do a little insert of saying thank you so much for the positive response I got on the previous video, all the likes, the views, everything. I didn't expect nearly that much. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and the next ones to come as much as you did the first one. Thank you so much. And as with most recipes, this is really something you can change as you like. Skip the cinnamon if you wish, add some nutmeg, or something I enjoyed is adding the maple sugar we made in the previous video for some delightful sweetness and mapley flavor. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.